Welcome back and thank you for joining me, Mark Stokes, in my regular series, the Microsoft 365 Message Center Updates. Today we've got a new update. This is a very short one. It's just a reminder of some changes that are coming, some quite small ones, but just something to be aware of in case your users start asking you for support. So if we just switch over, what we can see here, there's an update. There's no changes to the details. You may have seen this previously. Microsoft just updated it in the Message Center, just to kind of bring it to the top and remind you of what's going on. So basically, there's an update in the Ink toolbox for the iOS versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And what's happening is they've made some changes to the Ink toolbox, and this is coming through late February 2021 into mid-March 2021. So you probably won't see this just yet, but as those updates come out, you'll start to see it then. So if you see it, let me know what you think. So let's have a quick run through. Like I say, it's going to be a very, very short one today. A quick run through what's actually changing. So basically, iOS users will experience the following changes to their Ink toolbox within the clients I've just mentioned. So the lasso and the eraser tools will be moved inside of the toolbox. And users will be able to add additional pens by right-clicking on existing pens. Their toolbox will be reset to the default number of pens and colours. So any additional pens the user may have added will be removed. Most recently used colours will reset to the default. So again, this is an area you might want to let people know what's going on. So if people have been using this and they do like it, then it's worth actually just letting them know that something's going to change. The pencil and highlighter are added to the toolbox rather than hidden behind the plus pen icon. And draw with touch, ink and text and ink to shape features are removed from under the drop down, the arrow under the current ribbon next to the ruler. So not a lot to do, just make people aware that some changes are happening, and yeah, that's all for today. So thank you very much for joining me, and I shall see you next time.